How to replace TV battery remote? First, make sure you already have a new battery. After that, take the TV remote whose battery you want to replace. After that, look at the back of the remote and open the battery cover on the remote. Remove the old battery using your finger. After that, insert the new battery into the remote. Make sure the negative pole face on the pair on the TV remote. After the remote battery is installed, close the battery cover again. When all is done, you can try it on your TV. If your TV responds, it means the battery is installed correctly.